Okay, listen. If your cart suddenly sounds like it's about to fall apart, that grinding, clanking, or terrible squeaking, you need to solve. That's usually 3 simple checks you miss, and they're definitely not expensive fixes. First, that heavy, unsettling rattling is probably a loose bolt. The constant shake just works hardware free. Check your wheel lug nuts first. I am dead serious. Then look under the seat and on the suspension. Tighten that stuff down. A simple wrench can save you a major repair. Next, that high-pitched, embarrassing squeal. When you hit the pedal, that's your brakes. Begging for mercy. They are either worn right down to the metal or packed full of mud and debris. Don't put this off. Get those pads and drops checked immediately. Nobody wants to sound like an old school bus. No offense. Finally, the dreaded speed shimmy where the whole car vibrates at top speed. It's almost always your tires. Could be a flat spot from sitting all winter, or maybe they're just severely unbalanced. If the shaking is bad, just swap them out. New rubber fixes the vibration and makes the ride feel brand new. So, the next time your car is screaming at you, it's the bolt, the brakes, or the tires. Check those 3 things. Go fix the noise. Save the headache. Let me know which one was the problem in the comments.